Are you curious about the blogging world and what it means to be a blogger? You've come to the right place. Here, we'll provide a comprehensive introduction to the definition of being a blogger and explore all aspects of blogging. Let's dive into how bloggers share their passions, opinions, and knowledge with the world through this powerful medium. From understanding the basics of a blogger definition to tips on starting your blog, you'll have all the information you need to succeed in no time. What is a blogger and what do they do? A blog post is an online entry typically written by a blogger on the topics of their choice. Bloggers can write about anything from lifestyle tips to passionate opinions, and most importantly, they provide valuable content for readers. The blog is usually hosted on its website, which features the writer's name or brand. At its core, the definition of a blogger is someone who writes online content about their interests or topics they wish to promote. They can also be paid for sponsored posts if affiliated with a particular brand or company. Bloggers use this platform to communicate directly with their readers and build relationships with them over time. Bloggers are seen as experts in their respective fields, so they must be knowledgeable about the topics they write about and be able to provide valuable information for readers. To learn about the power of a social media strategist, check out our previous video. Different types of bloggers and the content they create. There are so many types of bloggers out there, it's enough to make your head spin. From fashionistas to tech wizards, foodies to travel fanatics, the landscape of blogging is as diverse as its creators. Here are some of the most popular types of bloggers and the kind of content they create. Fashion bloggers. Fashion bloggers use their platforms to showcase their style, give fashion advice, and share outfit ideas. They often feature clothing from specific brands or products they love. Tech bloggers. Tech bloggers keep readers up to date on the latest technologies, gadgets, and trends in the tech industry. They often cover software development, programming languages, hardware reviews, gaming systems, cybersecurity, and more. Through detailed product reviews and tutorials, tech bloggers provide valuable resources to their audiences. Personal blogger. Personal bloggers share their life stories, experiences, and opinions on various topics. They often write about lifestyle topics such as fitness, health, relationships, travel, and more. Through their posts, personal bloggers offer insights into their lives to inspire and connect with their readers. Pop culture bloggers. Pop culture bloggers write about the latest trends in movies, music, television, and other forms of entertainment. They often discuss celebrity news, share their favorite films and TV shows, review albums and concerts, and more. Food blogger. Food bloggers are passionate about all things culinary. They create recipes, offer tips for cooking with certain ingredients, and visit restaurants worldwide. Travel blogger. Travel bloggers document their journeys around the world and share advice for places to ingredients, review local restaurants, and share insights into the world of food. Their posts provide valuable resources for home cooks and professional chefs alike. How to make money as a blogger. There are many ways to earn money as a blogger. Creating an online journal and weekly commentary on current events is one way to start. You can also create detailed reviews and tutorials on specific topics to attract an audience. Another option is to become a microblog, which provides short, concise updates about your life or experiences that are entertaining and informative for readers. One of the most popular ways for bloggers to make money is by monetizing their content through advertising networks like Google AdSense or affiliate programs. It involves placing advertisements on your blog and earning commission whenever a reader clicks on the ad or purchases something through it. Alternatively, you can also set up an online store to sell products related to your niche. Ad space, sponsored posts, and digital products are other ways to monetize your blog. Another way to earn is by offering services to your readers. It could be anything from copywriting and graphic design to web development and SEO optimization. Many bloggers also offer consulting services or one-on-one coaching for those looking to start their blog. Ultimately, the key to becoming a successful blogger is to find a niche you're passionate about, create compelling content, and build an engaged audience. You can turn your blog into a profitable business venture with enough hard work and dedication. Publish content regularly, network with other bloggers, and above all else, stay consistent. A blogger who writes regularly and is passionate about their topic will have the best chance of success. Success in any industry requires the implementation of effective strategies, hard work, and genuine passion. In cryptocurrency investments, mastering the art of making optimal trading decisions is important in maximizing potential returns. To become a successful cryptocurrency trader, it is essential to equip yourself with the right tools to maximize profits and make informed decisions. That's where technical analysis emerges as the ideal solution. With technical analysis, traders gain a comprehensive understanding of cryptocurrency pricing and market trends. This knowledge empowers them to execute more profitable trades and make better informed investment decisions. As you embark on your journey to becoming a better trader, we highly recommend exploring this technical analysis tool. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. Are you ready to elevate your trading skills to new heights? Look no further than TradingView. This platform is a trader's ultimate tool, packed with comprehensive features designed to enhance your success in the stock market. Whether you're an experienced professional or a beginner, TradingView offers everything you need to unlock your full trading potential. Check out TradingView today. To learn about content moderation, check out our previous video. How to go about creating a unique and memorable one. Shopping sites and recipe blogs are abundant in the digital world, so how do you make a blog that stands out? Here are some tips to ensure that your blog is one of a kind. Come up with an exciting concept or theme. Whether you're writing about the latest fashion trends, travel destinations, or tech gadgets, make sure the focus of your blog stands out, such as becoming an expert on a specific type of product or offering unique advice in a particular topic area. Develop your unique style. There's no need to reinvent the wheel when it comes to blogging, but a successful blog needs its distinct flavor. Feel free to try something new or take risks to make your blog stand out. Connect with other bloggers. Networking is a great way to promote your blog and provides an opportunity to learn from other bloggers in the field. You can get valuable feedback and advice on how to make your blog more successful and define your unique blogger identity better. Know who you're writing for. Before starting your blog, make sure to define your target audience. Knowing whom you're writing for will help inform the topics and content you publish and how you present it. Creating a successful blog takes time and effort, but if done right, it can be an incredibly rewarding experience. With these tips in mind, your blog will stand out. Important tools for blogging success. There are certain tools that are essential for a blogger to be successful. Blogging is creating content online, such as a blog, website, or forum. Having the right tools can make all the difference in how successful your blog is and how much time it takes you to manage it. Depending on what type of blogging you're doing, you may need different tools. Here are some of the most important tools for successful blogging. A content management system. This platform allows you to create, organize, and publish content on your blog. Popular CMSs include WordPress, Blogger, Squarespace, and Joomla. A domain name. Your domain name is an address that identifies your website online. Choosing a domain name that is easy to remember and reflects your blog's purpose is important. Web hosting. It allows you to store your blog's files, images, and content online so anyone with an internet connection can access it. Popular web hosts include GoDaddy, HostGator, and Bluehost. A content editor. It is essential to have a text editor that makes it easy to edit and format your blog posts. Popular editors include Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and Notepad++. SEO tools. Search engine optimization helps your blog rank higher in search engine results when people look for content that matches your writing. Popular SEO tools include Google Analytics and Yoast SEO. Social media accounts. Having a presence on social media is essential for any blogger because it can help you reach a wider audience and increase the visibility of your blog posts. Popular social networks include Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Analytics tools. Analytics allows you to track how much traffic your blog gets, where it's coming from, and what kind of content performs best. Popular analytics tools include Google Analytics and StatCounter. These are just a few tools that can help make blogging easier. As you become more experienced, you may find that you need additional tools and services to help manage and promote your blog. The key is to experiment and see what works best for you. A blogger spends time and money to build a platform that will be successful, but it's worth it in the end because you can create content that is meaningful to your readers. Let your blog reflect who you are, and don't forget to have fun with it. Blogging etiquette. There are also some unspoken rules to follow when it comes to blogging. It's important to be aware of them so you don't get off the wrong foot with potential readers or fellow bloggers. Check out these simple rules of blogging etiquette to make sure you don't end up getting a bad rap. Introduce yourself. Whether on your blog or in the comments section, make sure that people know who you are and what you stand for. It adds authenticity to your posts and helps build relationships with other bloggers and readers. Respect others. Whether agreeing to disagree or avoiding controversial topics, respect your fellow bloggers and readers by being courteous and understanding. Spread the love. Have a positive attitude when commenting on other blogs and writing your own blog posts. You don't have to like every post you read, but make sure your words are encouraging and kind. Be honest. Everyone has the right to their opinion, but it's important to be honest in your posts and comments when sharing it. Respect other people's work, and don't plagiarize or copy content from other blogs without permission. Have fun. At the end of the day, blogging is meant to be an enjoyable experience. Don't take things too seriously, and enjoy connecting with others through your blog. Following these simple rules of blogging etiquette will help ensure you're off on the right foot in the blogging world. Happy blogging! Ensuring the security of your website and safeguarding your digital assets in cryptocurrency investments are both crucial. Fortunately, there are reliable solutions available to protect against cybercriminals and malicious attacks like hacking. One such solution is a hardware wallet designed as an offline device for securely storing cryptocurrency assets. Utilizing a hardware wallet, such as Ledger wallets, is the optimal choice to ensure your digital assets' safety and security. If you're interested in a trusted hardware wallet solution, we recommend checking out Ledger wallets for the utmost protection. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. Are you tired of constantly worrying about the safety of your cryptocurrency investments? Look no further than Ledger wallets, the gold standard in reliability and security. With Ledger wallets, you can finally put your worries to rest. Why take a chance with anything else? Try out Ledger wallets today and experience the ultimate peace of mind. To learn about Content Manager Salary, check out our previous video. Final thoughts. A blogger creates content for the internet using a blog platform. Blogging can be used to share personal experiences, discuss topics of interest, or provide advice about any number of issues. Bloggers have become a powerful force in digital media, with their content reaching millions worldwide. With the ability to reach such a vast audience, it's no wonder blogging has become so popular. From fashion to finance, there's a blogger out there for any and every subject. So if you have something to say, start your blog today and join the ever-growing blogging community. Happy blogging! Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you learned something new about blogging and that it inspired you to take on the challenge of creating your blog. Disclaimer: Moovmynt provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional financial advice.